What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today, we're going to be doing a 3-week review of the Edifier X5 True Wireless Earbuds. But before we get started, I would highly appreciate it if you guys could do that cool YouTube stuff and help your boy out by liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and hitting that little bell icon, y'all, so you can get notified when I drop new content. It costs you nothing, and I'd really appreciate it because it really does help out the channel. Your boy trying to beat that algorithm, y'all. So thank you in advance. So first things first, I'm going to touch on the specs right quick. They're Bluetooth 5.0. They're IP55 water resistant, not waterproof, but water resistant. They come with Qualcomm aptX codecs. They're Android and iOS compatible. It has micro USB for the charging. CVC 8.0 active noise cancellation on the dual mic array for phone calls. They claim to have 24 hours of total playtime with the case. It takes about an hour and a half to charge. For me, I got about 20 hours or so with the case, which is about 5 hours per bud at max volume. So I assume at around 75% or so, you should be able to hit that advertised mark. You can only listen to the left earbud in the mono setup. Again, you can only listen to the left earbud, so you can't just take one out and swap them out. So they have ultra low latency for watching video content. I can confirm that this works seamlessly with no lag at all, which is a good thing. And the current price as of this video in April 2021, they are no longer available. Well, when I got them, they were $30 on Amazon. So if you're interested, just keep checking back. The link will be in the description for the last video, which has the link for the actual earbuds. If you are interested, whenever they do come back in stock, I don't know if they discontinued them or not. But anyhow, next to the strengths, they have good bass, clear highs and mids. Definitely good for listening to music. I listen to hip hop and R&B, just like you guys know. Uh, I also tested with rock, pop, and country, and podcasts and YouTube, and they sound just fine. They fit snug and they're very comfortable for extended use. They're good for gym walkouts, uh, not walkouts, workouts. Sorry about that. Walking and even some running. The touch controls work great, and they do sound good for phone calls. Now on to the weaknesses. Just like I mentioned before, you can only listen to the left earbud, which sucks, man. These would be some great earbuds, but man, that's trash. And then also, who uses micro USB in 2021? That's also trash, in my opinion. So now for my final thoughts. The price is right for what you get, but just know what you're purchasing before you purchase it, whenever they do come back in stock. Right now, you can't buy them anyway on Amazon. So, but either way, I just can't recommend these just because they're better offerings at this price point, at that $30 price point with USB Type C and that whole mono situation with the left earbud. That's just a deal breaker for me. But hey, I'm just some guy off YouTube. Well, with that being said, I'm not going to take up too much more of your time and I'm going to get you guys up out of here. But please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you in advance. Y'all take care of each other. Peace.